Okay, next wee bit we're going to have a look at is percentages. Now, we already had a look at percentages in the previous part of the course. So we looked at finding percentages, doing compound interest, appreciation, depreciation questions, that kind of thing. So this kind of percentages is a little bit different. Okay, this time we want to work out what the original amount was. So imagine you've got a question where you've found a percentage of something, you've added it on or taken it away, you've got your answer. And what I want to know this time is, what was that first amount that we had to begin with before we did the percentage and added it on or took it away? Okay, so think about this one. Sarah got a 5% pay rise. She now earns £1,870 per month. How much did she earn before her pay rise? Now, what a lot of people want to do automatically with this one is work out 5% of 1,870 and take it away. That doesn't work. Okay, the reason it doesn't work is you're finding a percentage of the wrong amount. Okay, 5% was found of a different amount. It was then added on. You then got to 1,870. So it doesn't work just finding 5% and taking it away. Instead, we need to have an understanding of what this £1,870 is. Okay, so she used to earn a certain amount, which was 100% of her wages. She then got an extra 5%. So she now earns 105%. And that 105% is equal to £1,870. And my aim is to find what 100% is, because that's how much she earned before we added on that 5%. And the way I do that is by finding what 1% is first, and then finding what 100% is. To find 1%, divide by 105. So 1870 divided by 105, that is 17.8095. So 100% times that by 100. Which is £1,780.95. What you can always do here is you can always do a wee check. You now know the amount that you had before, so you can find your 5% of 1780.95 and then add it on. So 5% 0.05 times 1780.95 gives me £89.05. Add that one. Excuse me, sorry, my dog is reading the bin next. Sorry, see if we can finish the question without any more interruptions. So she did earn £1,780.95. Add on the £89.05, and we're hoping to get to what she earns now, which is 1,870. Okay, let's try another one. Second example then, a theatre group sold 4,830 tickets for their show. This was 15% more than they sold last year. How many tickets did they sell last year? Okay, so last year, change my pen. Last year they sold 100%. This year they sold an extra 15, so this year they sold 115%. So 115% is the same as 4,830. So I want to find what 1% is. I do that by dividing by 115. It's 42. 100%. Not money, is it? No, it's number of tickets. It would be 4,200 tickets. What happens if it's a depreciation type one then? What happens if it's a takeaway one? Okay, so Robert sold his car for £3,515. He lost 7.5% on that. How much did he pay for the car originally? Again, we can't find 7.5% and add it on because we're finding a percent of the wrong amount. But what did happen is he paid 100% for his car. He lost 7.5%. So this time, instead of adding it on, we need to take it away. 100 take away 7.5 is 92.5%. So 92.5% is the same as £3,515. And we really just want to do the same. I want to work out what 1% is. To work out what 1% is, I divide by 92.5. Which is 38. So 100% is 100 times that, which is £3,800. Okay, I'll leave you to try some of these. As ever, any problems, please get in touch. Okay, I'll put these questions into the PDF as well, so they will be on the next page if you prefer that to using the booklet. There are lots more ways of doing this. I think that's probably the simplest way, but if you really don't like that method, please get in touch and I can show you a different way of doing these percentages as well.